Platteville, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour.
Come on, dude, I almost
Hazard,
missed this.
tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Yeah, tornado warning.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Benton, New Diggings, Elk Grove, and Lead Mine. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my god.
6-1, effective
Chill,
until midnight
tornado.
Saturday.